Hello and welcome. My name is Bradleymayerharman, and today I have the pleasure of sitting down with Debbie Sherwood. Debbie Sherwood is running for town council in the town of Orangeville. Thank you for being here today, Debbie. So today I want to talk to you about old debates. Certainly in the past we've had issues and topics come up that were voted on, and then there may have been some second guessing of it. Moving forward, if elected as council, would you bring up old debates?
Oh, thank you, Bradley. If the citizens wish it from council to review or bring up old debates, I'm open to that process. For example, with the OPP versus the OPS, I feel if it is reopened, then we need to have a consultant or outsource the pros and cons for both going OPP or staying with OPS. I don't have a personal preference other than if there are substantial savings to be made to the taxpayer, then we must do what the taxpayer wishes. I know we pay a very high percentage of our tax bill to the Orangeville Police Service, and it has been said it could be substantially less if OPP. But I feel that it has to be proven. Otherwise, I would want to ensure if we choose to switch to OPP that we could go back to the OPS if it doesn't work out. If this debate comes back to the table, I would like to see some kind of mail-in or online survey sent to all the residents to get their input once we have the exact answers about the OPS or the OPP costs and service delivery. It would be the decision of the majority of the citizens that we, the council, need to keep in mind because we are serving the citizens. I'd be surprised if old debates didn't come back to the table, as this past council has been so dysfunctional and lacked working as a team representing the taxpayers' best interests and did not accomplish much, in my opinion, due to the lack of collaboration. As far as any different issues, that is something that will always be forthcoming with any council. Old issues come back to life and new issues arise, and it's up to us, the council of the day, to be respectful to the wishes of the whole community and make our decisions based on actual facts and put our personal feelings aside.
Thank you very much for coming in and answering that important question for us today, Debbie. If you'd like to see more of what Debbie has to say, please do take a look at the links below, and thank you for watching.